warm one today. So, you can see what's going on. I have taken the toolbox out, cleaned the bed out, washed the bed out. I was amazed how good a shape this bed's still in. You know, we're going to do a scuff and shoot. I can't make this truck too pretty because then I won't want to take it out to the fields. It's a farm hustling truck. It ain't damn sure ain't no pavement princess. It's lived a life of work. It's got some rough spots, typical GMT shit back here right behind the doors. The door kickers, but there's a little one on the other side too. And then I cut a branch 2 years ago over at Joseph's farm, standing on the toolbox, and I didn't think it was that heavy, and it dented the side of the truck. But that gives my damn truck character. Other than that, she's a pretty straight old truck. So that's what I'm going to do. We'll scratch it up a little bit, and we're going to shoot her. It'll be a surprise what we do. No, it's not going to be patina. But I've done some things to this truck since I had it on the channel. Some drivability things that it needed. I need to do some of the wiring harness down here, but I got those mechanical gauges in, and then I added me a tack so I can monitor my revolutions per minute. And oh yeah, Matt would be the only one who knows about this. But the ignition tumbler, the ignition lock, I replaced that too. It was locked up. The key was in it forever and a day. But yeah, we're just gonna smooth her down a little bit, and we'll throw some primer on it. Maybe run a little bit of 220 or 400 over it, smooth it down a little bit more. Real rough like. And then we'll shoot her down. Let her dry. But figured y'all might be interested in seeing that. So stay tuned to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next clip. Yard looks like hay. Well, seen the before of the '88 GMC. You've kind of seen, how it used to look. My work truck, my GMC. And then you've seen the clip of it. Me talking, in the beginning of this video about what I was doing to it. Figured I'd give you guys the walk around. Show it to you now. There she is. Funny thing is, I still need to put the windshield wipers back on when we had a lot of rain. Look at there, it's already got mud and some dirt on her. A little paint smudge, somebody. Yeah. I tried to make it a little bit unique, to my truck. It's my truck. It's still a farm truck. New tail lights. Y'all see me put those in, and new emblem on the back too. So this is iron gray, and the tailgate and the hood is smoke gray. It's already dirty. Not a pavement princess. So yeah, See, she's still got her bends and bangs in her. Put a new seat cover in it, and new shifter ball. But that's it. A couple more things, little small things I'm gonna do to it, and it'll be done. Completely done. Ready for wood and dead deer. Throw it up in the back. And whatever else I tend to haul with it. It ain't no pavement princess.